Lazaro. I'm with Wowza Media Systems, and we are demoing the ClearCaster Pro. This is a new hardware encoder we launched last month. What is unique about it is how it's cloud controlled, allows you to have really streamlined workflows for your whole team, managing all your encoders, getting health visibility, and getting higher quality and reliable broadcasts. Here's the ClearCaster Manager, where you go to manage all of your encoders. So you can see in this account we have a few encoders, some are offline, one's live down here, one's ready. We provide a single place for your entire team to come in and manage their broadcasts. From the broadcast page, you can create new broadcasts, and you can build custom templates for your team to use. You can expose settings that you want your teams to change, like video bitrate, or you can create templates where you store all of the encoding settings into the templates so that your users don't need to manage stream keys or manage encoding settings. A really powerful feature that we have is our live monitoring. In real time during your event, from a browser anywhere, you can be diving into the health, seeing what's going on with your bit rates, seeing what's going on with your network to check performance. And then after your event, you have a full archive of all of these settings. So if you needed to troubleshoot what happened, you can see that. You have this clean audit trail of what happens. A few other features that people really like to see are the recordings that we provide. These are stored locally and then saved to the cloud after the event. We also provide user management, as well as something we just launched this week, some graphics capabilities. This allows you to add a pre-slate, add a countdown clock before your event. Maybe you're just trying to do a simple lower third or a bug. We can support that workflow all from the unit. It launched last month, excuse me.